everybody, nice to see you back on my channel. In today's video we're gonna talk about my fashion. I'm making this video for you guys because yes, I love fashion and I want to share my fashion life with you guys. It's because many people out there I know that is struggling with a match of clothes, and also I got a lot of questions that people ask me where you did buy that, or when you did buy that, is it on the sale or not, or whatever. So I'm going to talk all about that because I love to match clothes. It doesn't matter if it is on sale, it doesn't matter if it's expensive, it doesn't matter is it cheap or where it came from. I love clothes that is cute, fun, sexy, crazy. I love different style. So yes, let's get into the video, guys. So guys, I've begin with what is fashion for me. Fashion for me is like, yes, every woman out there love to shop, okay? Love to buy things that new on stock or things on sale or every little detail. We are women, okay? You know what I'm talking about. And yes, fashion to me is like you have to match the color correctly. So, and you have to use your imagination. You can match also the cheap and also the expensive clothes together. What I do is I love to match clothes in my closet, my old clothes. I got old stock out there, and it doesn't matter for me if the clothes is 2 years old or 3 years old. I just love to match clothes with the new one. Always when I go to a store and I buy some new product or items, I thinking about my closet that I left at home so that I can match perfectly the colors together. And yes, it's so important to me that your jewelry match your clothes, okay? Almost all of the style, like funky, crazy, sexy, cool, I just keep it me. I keep all that style that I love in me. I am a mother, of course, so I don't wear my things too sexy. You can wear sexy. I love to wear sexy, but I keep it classy, okay? What I'm going to share with you guys in this video today, I just buy beautiful clothes and it's not so expensive at all. And yes, I'm going to show you how I do match my new clothes with the old one in my closet. Okay. So let's get into the pants right now. I did buy these beautiful pants and it's not so expensive at all. This pants is from Primark, and yes, when I did buy these pants I thought about what do I have in my closet that I can match these beautiful pants. So I knew that I did have a top in my closet. So here is the video that I'm going to show you, that this black top and my old shoes that I have wearing over there is the shoes. I will let you see the shoes. This beautiful shoes, yes, I have this almost 3 years, yes. And why not? Why can I not match this with a new clothes or with a new things that I buy? So I love to do that. That is fashion. That is my fashion, okay? So I love to match old things together with a new one, the new things. That's what I love to do. And yes, in this video you will see how I rock these pants with this 3 years old pumps and with my oldie top. So, and also I did try it with another sweater, and this sweater is white. It's just from a couple months ago, and yes, this is how I do my fashion. I love to match it, and yes, I love to create things, okay? And this, I love this shoes is so it walks like heaven, okay? It really what I can run in these shoes, I can dance, I can do everything in these shoes. I love these shoes, yes. Okay, next I did buy this lovely top, and yes, also I did match this top, and this is from the Primark and is not so expensive at all, and I did match it with oldie pants, okay? oldie pants in my closet, and you will see it here in my video. And I just did it, and yes, like I said, you can match it very well together when you're going to the shopping mall or whatever. And of course, this color you can wear it with a lot of things. With the jeans, I did wear it like this with the jeans, and also you can wear it with a purple, but I will keep it quite simple. I will wear it or with white jeans or a blue jeans or a black skirt or whatever. The colors have to match, okay? So yes, this is a beautiful top, and that's what I'm do. I'm just match my things together, and I make sure that my jewelry match perfectly. Okay guys, I did buy this beautiful dress. It was on sale, and I did match it with all these shoes. So I did buy the shoes 1 or 2 years ago on the H&M, and yes, I did just match these two together. And look, here's the video. I'm going to show you how it can match perfectly, and nobody knows that this is an oldie, and nobody knows nothing, because I just match it perfectly and how I want that my style looks on that day. And also I just go back and look at the style of my hair, if it fits the color of the clothes, okay? And if I have to go to the party or whatever, and my color hair is red or blonde or purple or blue, the crazy colors that I love. Also, I did my hair black. So yes, next, you seeing this army pants. I have these pants in my closet for 3 years. Do you hear me? 3 years. And I just did match it with a top that I just buy also on sale, and it matched perfectly. And I just wear it with my high heels, and this one is 3 or 4. No, this one is 4 years old. Yes, this one is 4 years old in 2014. I did buy these shoes in 2013. Do you hear me? 2013 I did buy these heels. Okay, I will let you see. I love to wear things that I feel good and great about it, so I just wear it like this sometimes. In this video you can see it here, over here. And yes, with the high heels and my brand new top that I did buy, and match it with my oldie army pants and also my oldie high heels. What I just don't love to do is follow the trend, okay? Because always the trend is for a short period, and not every trend is my style. So I love to be me, so I love to follow myself, what is pretty on me, which color clothes just fix my color, and which style do I look better on or not, okay? I am not going after no trends, because that's not me. Now that I'm talking about my style, what is Stacey's style? Like I said, I have different style, okay? What I love the most is my boots. I love to wear boots. It's just crazy, girls, but I love my boots. In my stock of shoes, there must be the boots, okay? My favorite boots are the Timberlands, because why? Those are my favorite one, because I just walk so great on it. When I go shopping, I just walk the whole day without having no pain on my feet. Those are my favorite shoes, okay? The second one that I really do like is, I got these shoes 4 years and I still match my clothes and rock on it with these boots. Those Dr. Martens, and I really love those. Yes, these shoes you can, even though it rain, it is a bad weather out there, or it is snowing or whatever, these shoes is amazing. You just have to clean the shoes and it's ready to rock again. I just love to buy crazy colors that not everybody will think for buying it. So, and I just love to rock on those things that are just funky because I love also funky style, and that is what Dr. Martens boots are. They are really funky, and it is just one of my favorite style and my favorite boots. I am a very tall person, so I do not love to rock in very high heels. It just depends on where I'm going. If I do go shopping or have fun with the girls or to a party, I just match my things together. And yes, and I love to match also my jeans that you see the video here, right here, over here. You see in this video that I'm wearing a pants and that I wear it this time with a sweater, and this sweater does cost me only €2. Yes, do you hear me? Yes, I just saw this sweater in the store and I saw the price and I'm like, whoa, why not buy it? It's only €2, and of course I can match it with all of my jeans in my closet. So here in the video you see how I did match it with my jeans, and the same jeans I did match it with another sweater and the same shoes. Okay, the black shoes is from the H&M, and I also did buy that 1 year ago. Everything that I just match is 1 or 2, 3 years ago. It doesn't matter, I just match it and nobody knows. Okay, so next, ladies, what is really important to me is my hair and how I'm gonna match it with my dress. I love to match my hair with my dresses. So if my hair is red, I never wear any blue or green, something like that. No, I do not do that. It can be, but it depends on how I match the color and how it fits on which clothes. Okay, I'm constantly thinking about my hair and which color and which style does fit my dress. And of course also I'm thinking about my jewelry. Which one does fit my dress is also important to me. So guys, every woman out there also love to shop and love to shop online or at a store. One thing that women don't know or really don't learn, let me say it like that, is when you do go shopping online is that be careful, because not every size is the same size that you have. Okay, if you have size L, a large size, it doesn't mean that the large size is the same large size that you did buy yesterday at another store. No way. The large size is different. Okay, I have a M and also I just wear large, but sometimes my tops are S. Okay, yes, do you hear me? S. And yes, that's the reason I always just look at and go dress up first in the store before I just buy them. What women love to do is click online and don't know that the large ain't the same as another large at the store that they just buy yesterday or then. Okay, so that's what I love to do. Is I hate, yes, I hate to try clothes in the store, but I just do that just in case that the large doesn't fit me or the M, and I put it right back. And I love also my nails. You see my nails? I love to put the color on my nails that I can wear with every clothes. This time I had this color on my nails, and this nails color you can wear it with every clothes, but some nails color like blue or orange, or you cannot wear it with every clothes. This is what I just don't do. Okay, what I love to do is match silver and gold. Yes, I do that. If I match silver and gold, is I just love to do my earrings silver and gold, and like my ring silver and gold. Some people out there just wear only silver or gold. I do wear only silver or gold, but I do wear also silver and gold together. About my makeup, of course, the dresses that I dress up, like today I have very natural makeup on, and it depends on the dresses that I have, the lipstick. If I just wear a jacket or a top with a lot of texture on it, and keep the color and my jewelry very simple. And yes, I can rock it with a blonde hair or rock it with a lot of jewelry. I also love bright colors like blue, orange, or yes, and of course I love the basic color also. But if I have a basic dress or a basic pants or top, I just love to beat it with a crazy color, shoes or high heels or boots. Okay, that's me. I love to match it together and be bam. I just can get a hair the same style and the same color year in every day or in 1 year. I cannot have 1 year long the same hair, the same color, the same, no, that's not me. I have to do different things. I do have a lot of favorite shops out there that I do buy my clothes and shoes, because yes, I just love pretty things and things that just match my style. One of my favorite shop that I love to buy my jeans is at the H&M, and yes, I just love them jeans because it fits my booty very well, and I just love the shaping jeans, okay, because I have not a lot of booty, okay, so I just keep it simple and buy the jeans that fit my booty very well. Lately I am so obsessed with this store. It's the Primark store because it's very on point right now. They have beautiful jewelry and also a lot of beautiful essentials, and I love them clothes, them styles, and I don't need to switch from store for buy something, because Primark got a lot of stuffs in there. So next, what I do love is Cool Cat, because I love funky style, okay, and Cool Cat just rock the funky look, okay. So what I just love to buy in Cool Cat store is the jackets. I love them jackets, and also sometimes dresses. Those are the most things that I buy when I do shop in Cool Cat. In my world of fashion, and my opinion is, fashion is not all about the clothes that I do match, it's also the makeup that I do wear with the clothes. I think that my makeup is a part of my whole fashion look, because without makeup I don't feel complete. When I get dressed up, I just love to beat my face also. Speaking about makeup, I got 2 favorite stores that I love to visit, and I am not talking about online, I'm talking about love to visit. It's the Douglas and the Bijenkorf. Guys, I just live here in the Netherlands, and why I do buy my makeup visit the store Bijenkorf, it's because Bijenkorf is a store that you have a lot of choices inside. And also Douglas, why I do love visit Douglas is that Douglas also got great brands that I love, and also I do love them Housemark. And of course in Rotterdam we have a new store, and it calls NYX, and yes, lately I'm shop also at the NYX because it's a brand that I very love. Let's get back to the clothes. So now I'm going to talk about things that I really put an eye on, and I'll begin with the jeans. When I buy clothes, I make sure that my underwear and my bras do not mark, okay? What is style? Style is, for me, something to figure out who you are and how do you feel when you get dressed up, okay? So, and which party do you go? Do you go on a birthday party or a romantic party or a R&B party? You know, that's the style that you have to figure out for yourself, so that you can wear the perfect clothes when you feel a lot of confidence in. So I think without confidence, there is no style. How do I feel confidence? I feel confidence when my clothes just fit very well and without thinking that something ain't looking good. Which color do I feel safe when I wear it all the time is black or creamy beige a little bit. I love the warm colors like brown, black, and of course colors that can match with another color quickly. What is my favorite color? My favorite color is not that easy to say because I do love a lot of colors, but I do love blue, of course. It's what I'm wearing right now. And yes, black is safe, so let me mention black again. And of course lately I do love that soft pink color. Just the soft pink color, yes. But my favorite is blue. Which color hair I think fits with every outfit is blonde, of course, and yes, black. The blonde hair and black, and I will show you here a few photos. Is fashion important to me? Yes, it is, because I think fashion is important because the way you look is determined by your personality, and that gives you more confidence. And okay, let's just be honest, most of the people that see you out there, the first thing they will see is your face and your smile and everything before they get to know your character. So that's why I think it's very important. And of course a woman have to be clean and wear clean clothes, and that is more important than the fashion, of course. But like I said, the way you dress depends on your personality. Okay, this was my video for today, and I hope you guys did enjoy this and that you get to know my style a little bit and how I think all about the fashion. And yes, do you like this video? Give it a thumbs up or subscribe, and till next video. Thank you. Bye guys.